Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday, February 8th, and I think nasa day 23. I'm not feeling well. May sipon ako, guys. Masakit yan dito. Kasi the previous night, we watch Elias TV, Chuchu, and then next town. Kaya, nagkaroon ako ng sipon because it's raining and nabasa kami sa ulan. So, this is the update for day 22. Basta nakalimutan ko. Okay. This is the update. As you can see, kita niyo naman, it's doing pretty well. Sobrang healthy. Ganyan na siya. Super healthy niya. Like, super green. Yan. This is my breakfast. And getting ready for work. And hot water. And my throat hurts. My nose hurts. Like here. Only this one. I'm not feeling well. So, siguro later maliligo ako. Kasi parang nilalagnat ako. And isang ligo lang. Tapos kapag nilagnat talaga ng tuluyan, ayan, wala na. Hindi na tayo maliligo. So, kain muna ako, guys. And mag-update ako what will happen later. Because I still don't know what will happen later. Okay, so I just finished eating breakfast. Ta-da! And I still have 16 minutes left before my class. So yesterday, sabi ko, maglilinis ako. And as you can see, look at my room. Wow! It's dirty again. Actually, I finished cleaning there yesterday. But since we slept last night, so ayan. The room is very, very dirty. And I have 1 hour break around 10:30 to 11. So probably I will start cleaning by then. And I hope I can finish editing at least 5 videos today. 5 videos. I hope so. So I'm hoping I can finish 5 videos today, which is impossible, but I will try my best. Okay, see you later. I have a headache. Oh my god.